Welcome to a short introduction to the cloud version of our app bar charts for Jira. This app allows you to display a generic bar chart on your dashboard. Let's take a quick look at the main features. Display a simple bar chart without grouping. If you specify nothing for grouping, you can display a very simple bar chart. You can also display a data table below the bar chart which summarizes all issues in a two-dimensional matrix. Display a stacked bar chart with grouping and multiple datasets. Group the displayed issues by a field of your choice. You can also display multiple datasets in a single chart. This allows you to compare different projects or filters in a single chart. Configuration. Use the full power of JQL to filter desired issues. Advanced configuration options like chart height or refresh interval are available as well. Install our app bar charts for Jira from the Atlassian Marketplace and try it for free.